Today, I'll show you how to automate A/B email testing with workflows in HubSpot. A/B testing is a powerful way to optimize your email campaigns by comparing two versions of your emails to see which performs better. By automating this process, you can save time and consistently improve your email marketing strategy. Let's dive in and get started with setting up your automated A/B testing. First, you'll want to navigate to the automation section within HubSpot. Once there, click on Workflows, which acts as your hub for creating and managing all your automated processes. Whether you're opening an existing workflow or starting from scratch, this is where the magic begins. If you're creating a new workflow, think about what you want to achieve with your A/B test. Are you looking to improve open rates, click-through rates, or maybe even conversion rates? Having a clear goal will guide the rest of your setup. Once your workflow is open, you'll need to add a new action. Look for the plus icon, which typically appears as a small circle with a plus sign inside it. Clicking this icon allows you to insert a new step into your workflow. This is an important part of the process as it determines what actions your workflow will take automatically. In the right panel that appears, you'll see a variety of actions you can add to your workflow. For A/B testing, you'll want to select Send Email. This option enables you to choose a specific email to send as part of your automated process. From the drop-down menu, select your published A/B test email. If you haven't set up your A/B test email yet, you'll need to do that first within the email section of HubSpot. Remember, your A/B test email will have two versions, version A and version B, each with a slight variation you want to test, like a different subject line or call to action. After selecting your A/B test email, you're almost ready to set everything in motion. The final step is to activate your workflow. Now, this is crucial because until it's activated, your workflow won't run automatically. Look for the Activate button, usually located at the top of the workflow page. Once clicked, your workflow will go live and your A/B test will begin automatically according to the triggers and conditions you've set up. Now your automated A/B testing workflow is up and running. As your email sends out, HubSpot will automatically track the performance of each version. Over time, you'll gather valuable data on what works best for your audience, helping you refine your approach and boost the effectiveness of future campaigns. Always remember to check back on the results of your A/B tests. HubSpot's analytics will give you insights into which version was more successful, allowing you to make informed decisions about your email marketing strategy moving forward. And there you have it, a simple way to automate A/B email testing with the workflows in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can streamline your email marketing efforts, making them more efficient and effective. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful guides on making the most of your marketing tools.